I think I got rat poop in my throat.
If we die from the hantavirus, you know why. All right, everybody, it's Desert Billy Bronson with the Rec Crew here, Rec Gear Crew. We are in Williams, Arizona. There's this really cool cabin up here called JD's Cabin. It's full of history, and last time we were up here, it was pretty trash. Like, there's a bunch of stuff that's inside, beds, furniture, and everything like that. It's pretty good, but I mean, it's an awesome place, but people kind of destroyed it. So we're gonna go out there, we're gonna clean it up, try to do what we can to put it back to where it should be in that kind of condition.
I didn't slam the door. Okay, guys, this is where we're going. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba. Kaibab National Forest, Sunflower Flat Bike Loop. We're not on a bike. It's the worst bike I've ever seen. But you are here. Aw, the star got all messed up. And okay, look at. So we're here. We're here, we're there, and we're going beep. Then we gotta take a little right, and we go beep. And then here's cabin, with JD's cabin. Yeah, buddy. It's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Beep, 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 beep. Don't slam the door. That was awkward. We're backing up. We're in hot pursuit of some trash.
Wow. Thanks, campers. Thanks, COVID. That's our first diaper face.
You got the anti-COVID.
Yeah.
Thanks for spreading the COVID by leaving your COVID trash.
It's a bunch of flip-flops. I don't want to touch it.
Eric, oh, never mind. Thanks, people.
With an address on it. So
Thank you, people.
They're like shower slippers.
Nasty freaking people! I can't tie it in a knot.
Stop trashing our forest.
Yeah, man. It's not cool, man. Oh, my thumb. There it is. Don't eat it, Diddley. Don't eat it. Good girl. Why do people think that that's okay? I don't get to understand. Meatheads.
Stupid.
Poopy.
Real poopy. And not good. Bad,
If you want to, I'll get you flowers waiting around the bend. Baby, let's just pretend. I wanna stay like this forever. I wanna stay right here with you. I wanna stay right here with you. As the rest we fall until it all breaks down. But I need it so I will stay around. When you're all messed up, it's a great relief to be understood. It's a shame still waters run deep.
All right, we just got here. It is the 4th, so we have a bunch of people. They're coming to check it out, which they should, because this is pretty cool history stuff. This is the cabin right here.
This is the for sale sign. when the cabin was bought in, I think it was 1807.
1807.
Yeah, something like that. Don't quote me on the dates.
Was your great grandpappy the realtor back
He
then?
was a good guy.
Yeah.
He was pretty great.
Sweet. So you can see it's really cool in here. Totally old school built. This is where the fireplace was. But you can see, I mean, people come through here and just trash awesome stuff like this. And we're gonna come through here, clean up all this stuff.
So let us walk right into the forest, to the trees and the rising sun. It is something we can't outrun. I do whatever it takes to hold you, whatever it takes to you. Wanna be in this game for two. When it all comes down, do you feel alive? Are you feeling lost? You were made to fly, but you're so much more.
Covering our faces not because we're worried about COVID, because we're worried about mouse turd dust. What's it called? Huntavirus?
Huntavirus.
That's it.
That a memory, it is not easy. It's a shame, still waters run deep. As the rest we fall, till it all breaks down. But I need it so, I will stay around. And when you're all messed up, it's a great relief to be understood. It's a shame.
Mountains and mountains of dookie. Dookie.
Her super poopy that everyone just tore it up. They blew the glass windows out, which, I mean, that's, at least we can get it to where it's enjoyable to come in and people can kind of see how it was laid out, because
That's how history gets erased. People come and tearing things down, and then it just disappears, or it gets lit on fire, and
yeah.
you know, or they'll close that gate permanently, and you'll never be able to come in here and look at this ever again.
Still waters run deep. What the hell? Still waters run deep. Listen up now. When it all comes down, do you feel alive? Are you feeling lost? That you were made to fight, but you're so much more than a memory. It's not easy. You were made to fight. It's a shame. Still waters run deep.
So we just went ahead and cleaned out JD's cabin, and Colby stayed in the car because there's a lot of rat poop in there. It was gross, but hey, it's gone now, so good for anyone that comes out here next time. All right, Kimber, lead the way. Oh, good girl. You have got a stick on your butt. But this is now what the cabin looks like. And I did some befores that you're gonna look at, and I'm sure it looks different.
So what I want to know is where the ice box is, and the beers are kept.
I think that was it, and they are gone.
Dang it!
Son of a gun. But boy, does she look good in here.
It looks like an
Wow.
entire different cabin.
I'm ready to roll the bedroll out and take me a snoozer.
We got your nice chair next to the stove. Wish there was still a stove here. We got your beds. We got the kitchen over there. What do you think, Colby? Does it look better? Does it make you feel good that we went and cleaned this up?
Yeah.
Help preserve a little bit of history?
Yeah.
Good. So I think now what we need to do is go visit JD and let him know we stopped and visited, and we really appreciated coming over here and checking out his cabin. Hopefully he'll appreciate that we took a little bit better care of it than it was. What do you guys think?
We did it for JD.
We did it for JD?
Yeah.
Did it for JD. What do you guys think?
Let's go see JD.
What do you think, Colby?
We're gonna go see JD, and we also need to see JD.
Good. Good job. Kimber, what do you think? What do you
You did
think?
a happy group.
All right, so we are at JD's grave. Enjoy and do not disturb. I want to thank old JD here for building such good history around here and leaving it for us to enjoy and to remember a time then what is not now.
I think I got rat poop in my throat.
If we die from the hantavirus, you know why. Gave respect to JD's grave, cleaned out JD's cabin, and now we're all hungry. Hot, tired, sweaty, thirsty, furry. All right, we're gonna go eat. Jim, what is it?
It's a poop tube! What's up with us and poop, man?
All right, we're pulling away from doing JD's cabin, cleaning it up. Super fun, super tiring, but hey, we left it better than we came, and we hopefully set an example and people won't tear it up as much when they see that it's nice again. So,
If you come to see JD's cabin, don't F it up. If there's trash, pick it up for us. That'd be great.
that would be great. We want to make sure we preserve history and make sure it stays around longer, and have places that are enjoyable to go to for wheelers. It's like, oh my gosh, my truck's beeping. I need to put my seatbelt on. Sorry, but we need to make sure we have places like this that we can go wheel to, enjoy, and kids to enjoy, and remember how stuff used to be back in the day. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe.